Polynomial inequalities. This is different kind of a question here. Well, we actually know the conditions or answers for the inequality and we'll try to find out the function. The question here is, determine a cubic function f of x for the following conditions. F of x is greater than 0 when x is less than minus 5 and f of x is less than equal to 0 when x is greater than minus 5 and f of 2 equals to 0. So that is the condition given to us. Let's try to understand these conditions and figure out what cubic function could represent this. So it'd be better if we try to sketch it. So what is given to us is that f of x is greater than 0, that means positive, if x is less than minus 5. So let us say this is minus 5. Now, if f of x is greater than 0 when x is less than 5, that means it is positive in this side. And that is f of x for us. And f of x is less than equal to 0, that means it could be 0 also, when x is greater than 5. So in this region, it is either negative or zeros. And we are given f of 2 equals to 0, that means it is 0 at f of 2. So let us say this is the point 2, right? So at this point 2, the function is 0. Otherwise, it is negative. So that is the condition given to us. And since we know it's a cubic function, and it's positive here and negative this side, from the nature of cubic function, we know one thing, that it will go in alternate coordinates. So if it is positive here, so the end behavior is something like this. That's going to this side here, so it has to end up in this coordinate. In that case, how can we sketch it? I think the only possibility is that the function goes like this through this point, right? And then it turns like this. In that case, it represents a cubic function, right? And meets our criteria. If that is a function, then how can we represent it? Well, if this is my function, then I can say I got two zeros, one at minus 5 and the other one at 2. The 0 at 2 actually is a double 0, right? So we can write this function f of x as equals to a times x plus 5 times x minus 2 whole square, right? So that is how we can find this particular function. And from the given criteria, any value of a can meet this criteria, right? Since we have two x-intercepts and the degree is 3 for us, it means it's a cubic function, right? So we can write down any answer with any value of a. That's what I'm trying to say here. So our answer will be that f of x is equals to, we can take any value of a, positive or negative. That is kind of something which you have to decide. If the behavior is like this, then a has to be negative, right? So let's write a as negative x plus 5 times x minus 2 whole square. So that should meet the criteria, right? If I take any test points, let us say 0 is my test point. In that case, what do I get? If I put x as 0, I will get a negative value which meets the criteria, right? So that could represent a cubic function for the given condition. As you can see, there are more than one solutions for the given conditions, right? So in any case, the given conditions can be met by this equation also. So we'll write that as our answer. Thank you.